Hello and welcome, Seekers of Light. We are fortunate to have Chris Earnshaw here to open his work. In 22 steps and lectures, he's going to give us the basics of spirituality based on ancient Freemasonry wisdom and based on all the many books he wrote. So with this quick intro, say hello and welcome, Chris. Please be so kind and give our viewers a view of those 22 interesting things we're going to learn from you.
Okay, fine. The book is the 6th in the series, or when it comes out, it'll be the 7th book in the series on Spiritual Freemasonry. Previously, the previous 5-6 books have been more theoretical, and this book is going to be more practical with exercises that have a spiritual teaching that are part of Freemasonry, though most Freemasons are not aware of it. So this new book, which hopefully will come out at the beginning of next year, is divided into 5 sections. The first one I call Laying the Foundation. So this is preparatory work. The second stage is Entering the Mystery. That is the initiation. The third stage is rising through the grades. That means ascending the winding stairs in Freemasonry. The fourth is about embodying light, which is also known as mastership. And the 5th stage is the limitless experience, which I refer to as perfection. And so in Freemasonry, the 3rd degree, the candidate becomes a perfect Mason or a perfected Mason. And this 5th stage refers to the work that will help the candidate to realize what is actually being taught. Each stage has 5 lessons or 5 subchapters. So, for example, in stage 1, we have stage 1, which we call laying the foundation. The first lesson is called the call to the temple. The second lesson is about circumambulation. And then the third lesson is about the rough ashlar. In this course, you'll come across many technical Masonic terms, and ashlar is the term for a square or cube piece of stone used in a wall. The fourth lesson is the point within the circle, and the 5th lesson is the compass and the square, and that completes stage 1. And then we go on to stage 2, 3, 4, etc. So I hope you enjoy this series.
And I would like just to add that this is specifically not only for Freemason or people who practice Freemason, although Chris points out many times that every practitioner, every Freemason would massively benefit from these lectures to go through it again or to rehear it or to maybe put a different focus on things that maybe went too quickly or however he may put it. But we are here more open, so this is a spiritual basis. You learn about basic things that every person who is a seeker of light should think about, should practice, should incorporate, get inspired by, and even if you're a long-time practitioner of spirituality, as I would consider myself, there's so much here, so much practical knowledge, so many ideas and things I might have read many years ago and get refreshed. So putting it all together in this compelling book and giving us those lectures is a great way for everyone interested in practical spirituality. And with this, thank you so much, and let's enjoy those 22 lectures together.